Choose Monitoring. Overview. Energy management on the FusionSolar. On the page displayed, the energy yield and consumption data of the plant is excessively large, and the data changes abnormally. Data on the revenue page is abnormal. The data of a certain period is significantly different from that of other periods. Use the following solution for troubleshooting. First, log in to the FusionSolar Smart PVMS. Log in to the FusionSolar Web UI as an installer. Second, confirm the time when the abnormal data was generated. Choose Monitoring. Monitoring. On the plant overview page, select the year, month, and day in sequence to locate the day when the problem occurred. Third, modify the data. Choose System. Data Modification. The data modification page is displayed. Fourth, repair the data. Click the Data Repair tab. Click Export Corrected Data. Fifth, export the corrected data. On the Export Corrected Data page, select the inverter, battery, and meter in the plant. In the period area, select a time period that covers the generation time of the abnormal data. Ensure that the period overs the previous day and the next day. Click Next. Sixth, select signal values. Access the page for selecting signal values. Select charging and discharging for the battery in sequence. Select positive active energy and negative active energy for the meter. Select total yield for the inverter. Click OK. Seventh, export data. The system will export an Excel file containing the device performance data. Eighth, check the abnormal data. Open the Excel file and check the performance data to see whether data changes abnormally. Modify the value to eliminate the abnormality. Generally, the modified value shall be the same as the next value. Save the correct file. Ninth, create a repair task. On the FusionSolar Web UI, click Create Repair Task and upload the file. Upload the file. After the file is uploaded, the data is aggregated. Check whether the data is normal. If the problem persists, contact Huawei technical support.